Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. And the question I got today is LinkedIn Sales Navigator worth the cost? And the answer to that question is yes, if you're going to use it. Now, if you're going to get LinkedIn Sales Navigator and you're only going to get on it once a week or once a month or every now and then or when you feel like it, no, it's not worth it. I mean, it's about $80 a month to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator if you pay for it on a month-to-month basis. That's a lot of money if you're not going to use it. Now, is it worth paying the money if you're going to use it? Absolutely. I mean, the amount of sales, the amount of filters that are built in to search for leads is just really pretty cool. I think it's 22 or 23 different filters. It's really a powerful search tool for looking for leads. And if you're going to look for accounts, I mean, it's equally as powerful. You can look for accounts in lots of different ways beyond geography and industry. You can look for size of the company, whether out there in Fortune 100, Fortune 50, or whatever. You can also look and see, how you're connected to those companies, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, it's a pretty decent set of filters, not only for looking for leads, LinkedIn members, or accounts, LinkedIn companies. So really, and then, from a tracking your activity, tracking, the people that you're following, i.e. leads, building lists, having tags, doing notes, being able to send emails, et cetera, it all adds up to a very worthwhile business tool for what you're paying, only if you're going to use it. If you're not going to use it, don't even sign up, because you're going to waste money and you're not going to get any value for it. Furthermore, this is something else that's really important to think about it. If you're not really sure you're going to use it, then do not get the savings that you get by paying for an annual subscription. Pay for a month-to-month subscription. Prove to yourself that A, it's worth it, B, you're going to use it, and then you convert your month-to-month to an annual and you get, I don't know what it is, a 15, 20% savings or whatever it is. It's worth getting only if you're going to use it. So anyway, there's a couple really cool, beyond the powerful search filters for leads, LinkedIn members or accounts, LinkedIn companies. You also get unlimited search results in Sales Navigator and in LinkedIn. Okay, so you got two tools. You can do LinkedIn searches, got about 13 filters there. Sales Navigator, you got the creme de la creme of 22 or 23 filters there. Either wherever you are, you get unlimited search results. So that's pretty important, especially for somebody who's prospecting, i.e. looking for new people to have conversations with on a regular basis. Yes, you get in-mails. I love in-mails used correctly. Most people don't use them correctly. So think about this. If you're going to use in-mails, how are you going to use them to get the greatest results? Maybe what you need to do is do some research. Maybe do some studying and find out some best practices, some best messaging formats of in-mails to get you value. So all in all, to answer your question, absolutely. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is well worth the dollar if you're going to use it. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. Hope that's helpful.